My friends, I think I grew too many snap peas because I'm harvesting a bowl of snap peas almost every single day. You can only eat them raw for so long, so this time I'm going to make a quick and easy, simple dish with snap peas. I'm going to treat it kind of like green beans, so let's get a hot wok, a little bit of oil, and put those all in there, and then gather up my trinity of ingredients, which is going to be soy sauce, oyster sauce, and rice vinegar. Now I'm actually using a mushroom oyster sauce, so it's vegetarian, doesn't have any oysters in it, but this recipe does work with just regular oyster sauce. To cut time in my cooking process, I actually mince all my garlic together and make it into these little cubes. So I keep frozen garlic cubes in the freezer. Along with my onion, it's all chopped up and in the freezer. So I toss some of that in and cook this for about 10 minutes. You don't need to add anything else. This sauce was really sweet, super delicious. My husband loved it and cleaned his plate. So I hope you give this a try, especially if you have too many snap peas, or you can even use the green beans for this. Jom makan!